Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your go-to destination for all things automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Today, we've got a really exciting one for you. We're talking about the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute, a mini car that's taking the automotive world by storm. So, let's dive right in. The Toyota Bajaj Qute is a game changer in the world of urban mobility. It's a mini car that perfectly fits the needs of modern cities, where traffic congestion and limited parking space make larger cars less practical. But what makes the 2025 model stand out? Let's start with its design. The 2025 Qute keeps its compact, quirky design, but it's been given a more modern and refined touch. The front end now features a bolder grille, sleek headlights, and a more aggressive stance, making it look more like a full-fledged car than a typical quadricycle. The exterior also has a range of color options to suit different tastes, and the aerodynamic improvements not only enhance the looks but also help with fuel efficiency. Speaking of fuel efficiency, this is where the Toyota Bajaj Qute really shines. With its lightweight body and efficient engine, this little car delivers excellent mileage. It's powered by a 0.6-liter, three-cylinder engine that's designed for urban environments. While the engine might not provide neck-breaking speed, it's more than enough for daily commutes and city driving. Plus, with an electric variant potentially on the horizon, we could be seeing even better fuel economy in the near future. Imagine zipping through city streets with minimal fuel consumption, perfect for anyone looking to save on both fuel costs and the environment. Inside, the 2025 Qute is surprisingly spacious for such a compact car. The cabin is designed to fit 4 passengers comfortably, with enough legroom and headroom to make even longer drives more enjoyable. The dashboard has been upgraded with a sleek touchscreen infotainment system, providing connectivity features like Bluetooth, USB ports, and even smartphone integration. There are also safety improvements, with better crash protection and a more solid build, giving passengers added peace of mind when navigating through city traffic. Now, let's talk about its price. The 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute is positioned as a budget-friendly option, making it an ideal choice for first-time car buyers or those looking for an affordable second vehicle. In markets where owning a full-sized car can be expensive, the Qute offers an affordable and practical alternative without compromising on key features. But of course, the Toyota Bajaj Qute isn't just about practicality, it's about innovation. The 2025 model introduces new tech and smart features that make it a joy to drive. Whether it's the adaptive suspension that smooths out rough roads or the new energy-efficient braking system, this mini car is designed to offer an enjoyable driving experience despite its small size. So, who exactly is the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute for? It's perfect for city dwellers who want to make their daily commutes easier, cheaper, and more eco-friendly. It's also a great choice for anyone who doesn't need a large car but still wants the comfort and convenience of a vehicle for those short trips and errands. And there you have it, a quick look at the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute. Whether you're looking for an affordable city car, a fuel-efficient commuter, or just something small and fun, the Qute delivers in spades. Thanks for tuning into Auto Buzz TV. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more exciting updates. Catch you next time.